What's up, YouTube? This is the man 7431 coming back with another video. Found another really cool tweak in Cydia, and it's called OS Faker. What it is, it's an Android slash Windows 7 OS for iPod touches, iPhones, and iPads. And you can find this tweak in Cydia. Just go into the search bar in Cydia and type in OS Faker and just install it, and you will get an icon on your home screen. And when you open it up, you'll be right where I'm at right now, showing you guys this really cool tweak. So what you have before you is you have two options. You can either go into Android or you can go into Windows. So we're going to go ahead and try Windows. So if we click here, we get a little message here basically saying that Windows 7 is going to be removed because they want to replace it with another OS. And if you have any problems or if you think that it shouldn't be removed, then you can contact this particular person here on Twitter. So we're just going to skip that. So we're going to go ahead and hit yes. So it's going to load the OS of Windows Mobile 7 onto my iPod Touch 4G. And there it is. So basically what you get is you get the Facebook. I think that's Facebook and Twitter. We're going to go into it. You get Internet Explorer, you get text, you get mail, you get pictures, Xbox Live, and settings. You get the arrow that flips you to different sections of Windows. You get the little clock up there at the top, and then this little Windows flag button here is what takes you back to the Android and the Windows 7 setup. So we don't want to go out of that right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Facebook. If you guys checked out my last video I had made, I pretty much restored my iPod back to factory settings, and I restored it and I re-jailbroke it. So I don't have my Facebook or my Twitter set up because I just freshly restored it and re-jailbroke it, so I can't really go into that right now. So we're going to go back. You got the internet, which is the real deal. By the way, this is Android 2.3 Gingerbread. So I'm just going to type in any little thing. www.hats.com, just to show you guys that this actually works. And there we have it. We are at Hats website, mobile version. I'm going to go back home. You got text, which it's not going to work for us because we have an iPod Touch, and it won't work per iPad. But there are third-party applications that you can download in the App Store where you can actually text with your iPad and your iPod Touch. So we're going to go out of that, and then you have your mail, pictures, which I don't have anything right now because, again, I just restored it and freshly re-jailbreak with the untethered jailbreak. You have Xbox, which is not really Xbox games. All it is, guys, is just a little paint thing when you can kind of like draw a little face on there, and you know, that's pretty much it. That's all you can do with that application. So we're going to go back home, and then you have settings, and it's just basic setting stuff. That's all it is. Just tells you about the operating system and things like that. And I just ended up catching myself, guys. I said Android Gingerbread 2.3. I'm not even on Android. I'm tripping today, guys. I'm tripping hard. But anyway, this is Windows Mobile 7. That's pretty much all it is. So we're going to go back out of that. And we're going to go now into Android. We're going to click yes. And here's Android. And what you have on the screen here, you have the URL, you have the battery percentage, you have the time, you have the bars for your signal, and you have the 3G. You have settings, contacts, Gmail, calculator, SMS, Facebook, YouTube. And you have the power, which that button takes you back to the Windows 7 and the Android setup. And you have your menu button there, and then you have your internet button there. So we're going to scroll over. We can only go to one page. This takes you directly to Facebook. Like I said before, I don't have my Facebook set up because I just restored and re-jailbroken, so I can't take you there. So we're going to go to menu, and you have the same options that was basically on the home screen in your menu. Again, I don't have any photos. SMS, that basically only works with the iPhone. YouTube, all of this stuff works. There's the Android type style keyboard. Internet browser, same as Windows, just about. Go back home. You got your Facebook, which I said before I don't have set up. Twitter. Get it to. There's that is, and your notes. Photos. We don't want to go into that. Contacts is what I was getting ready to go into, but that would have displayed all my contact information. Let me see. And this, like I said before, it takes you back to the internet setup. That's pretty much it, guys. It's basically just a skin of Windows 7 and Android Gingerbread 2.3 is all. I thought it was a pretty cool little tweak. If you want to go back, guys, all you have to do is just hit the shutdown, and it's going to take you back. And if you're panicking and you're like, man, how do I get this off my screen? There's no button that says, you know, to go back to your regular iPod or your iPhone or your iPad home screen. All you got to do is just hit the home button, guys, and it's going to take you right back to where you were. So there is the icon right there, guys. Loader. Again, if you want it, all you have to do is go into Cydia and search OS Faker. Download it. When you download it, it will install onto your device. It'll show up on your home screen. It's going to show up as an icon just like that, and it's going to say Loader. Go into it, guys, and just pick which operating system you want to install, and you're good to go. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs